Hello everyone, it's Blogan here again, and in this lesson we continue to learn operators work. We already studied operator precedence. Next in line is associativity. You already know that if we have an expression that has a different number of operators, then to find out the order in which they are executed, we can look at the precedence table. But there are expressions that contain operators of the same precedence. How then can we determine their order? Associativity comes to the rescue. It determines the direction of execution of operators with the same precedence. Let's see a simple example. Here we can see either 1 or 4 on the screen. It depends on which operator completes its job first. Both division and multiplication have the same precedence. Therefore, to solve this problem, we must again refer to the precedence table, but this time look at the last column. It describes the order of execution of operators if there are several of them in an expression, that is, their associativity. We are looking for division and multiplication here. Here they are. They have a left to right execution order. This means that in our example, division will be performed first and then multiplication. Let's look at another example. Here we create 3 variables and assign them all the value 10. Again, we have an expression that has an assignment operator and several operands. Why are all variables assigned the value 10? Let's look at the associativity of this operator. And we have it from right to left. This means that the command cassign 10 is executed first. The assignment operator does 2 things. First, it assigns the value on the right to the variable on the left, and then leaves this value in its place. It turns out that instead of this sub-expression, there will be the value 10, and then it's assigned to the variable b. And then the same things happen with the variable a. That is, we now understand that this command works because the assignment operators are executed from right to left. By the way, since the assignment operator returns to its place the value that you specify to the right of it, we can even write such weird things and everything will work. Here we first assign the value 30 to the variable and then display the value 30 on the screen. But I don't recommend writing this code. It's easier to assign a value to a variable before displaying this value on the screen, so the code will be clearer. And now a question for you. Why did I put parentheses here? Pause the video and think about your answer. And the answer is the following. The assignment operator has lower precedence than the bit shift left operator, and if we remove the parentheses, we'll get a compilation error. What is its essence? The fact is that the compiler will first execute the command to display the value of the variable on the screen. You don't know why yet, but this is where this operator returns the cout tool to its place. And it turns out that the next command for the compiler is to assign the value 10 to the cout object. And this is not possible, which is why you get the error. I'll tell you more. Since in our case this operator returns cout, then such a chain turns into a sequential call of such commands. And that's the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you can support me by liking this video, writing a comment under it, subscribing to the channel, donating using the link in the video description, or becoming a sponsor of my channel. All these things popularize my channel and motivate me to continue recording lessons for you. Goodbye.